Google ads for real estate website. Okay. 70 clicks in a day. Okay, good. But no conversions. Okay. So I'm about $3,500 deep on ads for real estate, and I'm getting great traffic but no conversions. I love to get some advice on this. I have removed as much friction as possible with registration 3-step quiz. I have IDX listing. I have a home value tool. I have search, and the IDX search throws a registration prompt after 3 properties. Okay. So you are worried. Okay, first of all, how you analyze. My point is how you analyze. You have got a great traffic. I think it's not easy. Okay, there may be two parts on which I will answer this question. One question is related to the Google ads, and one question is related to your website landing page experience. For instance, let me tell you. Okay, let me tell you the story. Okay, we have created our own Shopify store service, but even now I have not promoted yet. Why? Because I am now trying and testing every other day new things to see, is my landing page good enough to get converted? So please try to understand this theory, that this all plays a crucial role in your marketing. So every other day I'm thinking, is landing page is good, is it good, is it the context is good, the wording, texting, everything is good or no. So I am now thinking again, yeah, is it a good landing page or not? So a landing page is need to be a very good eye catchy with the call to actions. Now a real estate landing page will be a different than this one, but I'm just sharing with you an example. Although we create real estate websites as well for the client, but I'm just sharing you how important your lander is. If people are not getting converted through your lander, it means that your landing page needs an optimization. So how you analyze? I recommend over here to install Microsoft Clarity plus stat counter to analyze what people are doing on your website. What factors they are looking on your website. So these two tools can help you in analyzing what people are doing. And after this, my second will be looking on the campaign. I'm not sure what kind of a campaign you are targeting. Is it a PMAX campaign, is it a search campaign, how you have set your keywords. Now the location plays a crucial role, timings, ad schedule, your competitors, what they are targeting. So I mean, there are so many factors to decide on before saying is this a good campaign or no. But if I say that the $3,500 for 70 clicks, it means, just a second, let me show you over here, just a second. So assuming you are paying $3,500 for 70 clicks, it's $50 CPC based on your data. Now this may mean that quality score also needs optimization, plus how well you have structured the campaign. So it's not an easy, and I think that the real estate is also a very competitive niche in the Google, and you need a lot of work. So which is why you need a professional like us for a detailed audit. So in case if you want our services as a Google partner, we will love to help you. And if anyone watching this video to audit their Google Ads website, to optimize and see how we can improve. So yeah, these are general insights, but again the detailed insights will be available if you hire us for us detailed service. So just to let you know, our company name is aarswebs.com, and full details are mentioned in the description of this video on how you can reach me and my team to get started. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.